What's happening, YouTube folks? Today we're going to remove a light from one of my clients' properties. So we're going to remove that light up there. First thing I did, real simple, cut the breaker because you don't want to be the one who electrocutes yourself trying to do something real simple. So with that being said, I'm going to pause y'all for just a second. All right, so this particular light, it's got a Phillips screw. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Phillips screwdriver. We're gonna undo that. All right, so with the now we got our wires here exposed. Remember, I already cut the power, so all I'm gonna do is just unhook these wires, and it's off. Simple as that. Okay, so I just removed the light from a client's property. Next thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna install one of these blink outdoor lights here. From supervillain Jeff Bezos. No, I'm just kidding. Probably not supervillain, but you know what I mean. Anyway, we're about to install this light here. The thing about this light, though, that's really interesting is it's all battery operated. Nothing's electric on it, so it should be a pretty easy installation. I'm gonna get to it here in just a second, and we'll go through the steps. Okay, so back to our video on this installation. So one thing I want you to notice here, that this is the upside here. This is the mounting bracket here. This is one of the mounting brackets. It actually comes with a couple different ones, but this is the main mounting bracket that you use here. Now, the crazy part is for my application, so you look at these, this is where the screw holes are on the back. It doesn't work. It actually had one single screw through the old light. So what I did is I made a modification. I actually drilled a hole right through the middle of this bad boy. Right through the middle. Now, it doesn't affect anything. Again, it's battery operated, so there's no electrical anything. So right through the middle so that I can use my big old screw that was with the other light. And I did have to countersink it, though, to try to give it, like, no whatsoever, because this light actually does have this little tab right here. And this little tab causes it to, have to be, pretty tight there, which is good, there's no wrong with that. So I did it's plastic. I did take, actually I didn't even have the drill bit, so I literally took a screw bit and drilled that up, and then I don't know if you can kind of see how I countersunk it there too. I just kind of made it until it fit to where it needed to fit so that it could lock that in and everything there. So we're gonna go ahead and install it now. So once again, like I was talking about on the mounting application, we got that screw where the other one came out right there. So I'm just simply gonna use that. And I'm gonna mount this bad boy up here. I'm just gonna use that same existing screw, which goes forever. So that ought to easily get the job done here. Make sure I put it in there. Come on, there we go. And just start screwing it in. A long screw, so we got a minute here, and it will continue to get. I think I ran out of room with that screw. That's not exciting. Well, now we may have an issue. Hold on a second. All right, so once again, now it's in. Kind of see the countersunk in. It was just me trying to do things with one hand again. Hold on just a second. I'm gonna grab my light and we'll see if we get it on. All right, so now we're just gonna mount this thing on here. Hopefully I don't screw that part up. Slide it in place. And it will actually click. And there we go, it's clicked in. And just like that, we've replaced one light with another. This is a lot smarter apparently. All right, y'all, hit me up, any questions, concerns, subscribe to the page, all that fun stuff.